Hi, and welcome to the video on breaking the anti-forensic puzzles by Group 1 of the Challenge for the Indo-Dutch Cybersecurity School of 2023. In this video, we'll discuss anti-forensics methods and techniques. Anti-forensics, often shortened to AF, is the use by criminals of strategies and software to thwart computer investigations into their criminal crimes. The goal of anti-forensic is twofold. First off, criminals use it to hide their criminal footprints. Secondly, it is to thwart criminal investigations into their crimes and lead investigators in the wrong direction. The techniques and methods of AF can be divided into two categories. First off, there are defensive methods, which aim at hiding and wiping digital footprints of criminals by encryption, onion routing, or other methods. Offensive methods aim at hacking and taking over forensic computer systems and thereby leading the investigation astray, such as overwriting data or placing malware in law enforcement computer systems. The use of anti-forensic has been used in a number of criminal cases, both digital and non-digital, such as intellectual property theft, fraud, but also very serious crimes such as black market trading and the buildup of child pornography networks. These cases indicate the importance of anti-forensic methods and the need to counter them. The consequences are twofold. First off, it leads to a delay in the investigation, whereby there's little evidence and ID, more intensity in the resources that are used, and a complexity in the chain of custody. Second is the incident response, whereby for the public, they become more exposed to the risk of digital crime, an erosion in trust, and the relocation of knowledge in time. For a counter to anti-forensic, our team has developed the STEM system, which has 4 pillars: security, team building, external partners, and monitoring. By combining these 4 pillars, law enforcement agencies can become more resilient to anti-forensic methods. If you want to learn more about this subject, please scan the QR code. Thank you very much for watching this video.